One option for somebody who really has no access to a smartphone or to a computer is to go to one of our local clinics. We've set up clinic ability to do this throughout the system. And so that still allows people to be close to home and not have to come all the way into one of our main centers. The other is that, almost everybody has at least one relative that has a smartphone. And being able to do these on smartphones has really been a game changer. One doesn't need a sophisticated computer to do this, doesn't need sophisticated cameras. A smartphone is perfectly fine. It's no more complicated than doing FaceTime. It's really easy. I found the patients love this. Once they see how easy it is to click on a link and do it, they love it. Okay, and again, that ability to just roll out of bed and come to an appointment without having to go through all the trouble. One of my favorite examples of this was somebody who I saw. It was a 7 o'clock appointment in the morning. I had arranged to see this person. They called in from the parking lot of their workplace because they were able to call in just before they started the work shift. No lost wages, no lost time. It was absolutely perfect. They were really happy with the visit. So yeah, in general, people really like this. And I've had virtually no trouble getting somebody who was at an in-person visit say, how about we do a video visit the next time? Once they do it, that's all they want to do. I think that not only me, but I think many, many of my colleagues across the country think this is the future that's been waiting to happen. And in many parts of the country, in many markets, this is how healthcare is being delivered, where people don't take all that time, a half a day to go to a doctor or whatever else, okay? This is how it's being done. I would love to say that my ability to put a stethoscope on their chest is the most important part of what we're doing. It isn't. The most important part of what we do is hearing what the patient has to say, putting that in the context of all the other information that we have about them, making a decision about what the next step is. That's the essence of medicine, and we can do that extremely effectively by televideo.